MARPOL Annex 1 sets the international rules for preventing pollution by oil from ships. It applies to operational discharges and accidental pollution involving oil, oily mixtures, sludge, bilge water, cargo residues, and oil tanker operations. Its main purpose is to ensure that oil is not released into the sea unless all legal conditions are met. Annex 1 applies especially to oil tankers of 150 gross tonnage and above, and to other ships of 400 gross tonnage and above, which must comply with survey, certification, equipment, and record-keeping requirements. Compliance is shown mainly by the International Oil Pollution Prevention Certificate, known as the IOPP certificate. The certificate confirms that the ship's structure, equipment, systems, arrangements, and procedures meet Annex 1 requirements. For machinery spaces, Annex 1 controls oily bilge water, sludge, and oil residues. Where required, ships must be fitted with approved oil filtering equipment, commonly called an oily water separator. Discharge of oily bilge water is only permitted when the ship is proceeding en route, the mixture is processed through approved equipment, and the oil content of the discharge without dilution does not exceed 15 parts per million. Any direct discharge, illegal bypass, or manipulation of pollution prevention equipment is prohibited. All oil-related operations must be properly recorded. Oil Record Book Part 1 is used for machinery space operations such as bilge water discharge, sludge disposal, bunkering, fuel transfer, and disposal of oily residues. Oil tankers must also keep Oil Record Book Part 2 for cargo and ballast operations, including loading, unloading, internal transfer, crude oil washing, tank cleaning, ballasting, and discharge of dirty ballast or slops. Annex 1 contains additional requirements for oil tankers. These include segregated ballast tanks, slop tanks, oil discharge monitoring and control systems, cargo tank protection, double hull construction for applicable tankers, crude oil washing arrangements, and damage stability standards. These measures reduce the risk of oil pollution during loading, carriage, discharge, tank cleaning, and casualties. Emergency preparedness is essential. Oil tankers of 150 gross tonnage and above and other ships of 400 gross tonnage and above must carry an approved shipboard oil pollution emergency plan known as SOPEP. The plan gives procedures for reporting pollution incidents, contacting authorities, controlling the source of pollution, and coordinating response actions. In special areas, Annex 1 discharge rules are stricter because of ecological sensitivity and heavy traffic. Effective compliance requires trained crew, valid certificates, approved and operational equipment, accurate records, proper maintenance, use of port reception facilities, and control through the ISM code. The core principle of Annex I is clear. Oil pollution must be prevented in every ship operation.